Students, today I am here to explain English language of class 5th simple present tense. The tense of a verb shows when something happens. We will learn about the use of simple present tense. Now, student, simple present tense is used when we are talking about things in regular basis that happened all the time, usually, regularly, often, always, okay, every morning, every evening, every day. It is also used to express permanent truths, scientific facts, and many proverbs. So, I will tell you some examples like water boiling at 100 degrees centigrade. So this sentence show the universal truth. Now, second example, I never tell a lie. So over here, it is a belief that he or she never tells a lie. Third example is a proverb. Took many cooks spoil the broth. Too many cooks spoil the broth. So it is a proverb. All these sentences are in simple present tense. Some rules. I give you some rules to remember. First rule is with singular subjects, noun and pronouns like Ram, child, he, it, we. Always add s and es to the root form of the verb or main form of the verb. Second rule is with plural subjects, nouns and pronouns like boys, children, I, you, we use the root or main verb form of the verb. So this you have to remember when you make a sentence, simple present tense. Some uses are also given in your book on page number 50. Here the definition of simple present tense which is given in your book is the sentences in simple present tense tell us that these actions happen every day as a habit, routine or daily event. So I already taught you that simple present tense is used when we are talking about things in general that happens all the time or regularly or often, always, usually, every day, every morning, every evening. Okay, so in routine, every day to day action. So how we can use these simple present tense in our sentence? We use the simple present tense to express actions done as a matter of habit, that you have a habit of doing same thing again and again. Here is example. Hina wakes up at 6 a.m. means every day Hina wakes up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Second, to express action done repeatedly means continually in a continuation. For example, they play football in the park every day. So play means these boys or girls are playing football every day in the park means in a routine. To state facts or what is known to be true. For example, a snake has no eyelid. So it is a fact. Okay. It also used to express permanent truth, and over here it is a permanent truth. A snake has no eyelid. So fourth example use given in your book is to give instructions or make request. For example, put your things away neatly. So to give instruction or make request, so over here instruction is given, put your things away neatly. Obey your teacher. This instruction, obey your teacher, put your things away neatly, request. So this is the way you use in your simple present tense. Here in the pink passage, again some words are given. When we talk in the simple present tense, we use words such as usually, often, always, never, generally, daily, every day, every morning, every evening. Okay, so you have to remember that you have to follow these rules along with these words which are given in your books on page number 50. So apply these words when you make or frame sentences. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understand the lesson. Thank you. Stay safe and keep learning.